Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
How you doing? Well, we thought we'd get on here just quickly and let you know what's happening.
So, we have made a decision,
Big
and
one.
I think we're ready to share it with everyone.
Yep.
We have decided to
We're going to downsize everything. Keep everything a little bit simple. Now, the decision that we've made will expand a lot more in a YouTube episode which will come up very soon.
But I guess for everyone, what we're doing is we're going to be showing the caravan and the essay.
Yep.
And we're downsizing.
Ish.
We're downsizing, and we're
one.
going from 2 vehicles to 1.
Down to 1, yep.
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we're getting a old fire truck.
Yeah.
And we're going to build a camper on the back of that.
So, John and I have for a long time thought about downsizing to the 1 vehicle.
Yep.
John wanted a truck, and I wanted a bus. Just a coaster bus, not a big bus. And we compromised, I guess.
Yep, because there's still a lot of places we want to see that a bus, coaster bus, just won't get into.
No.
So we thought we'd just go down this path.
Yeah.
Keep it simple, and it'll last us a few years until we need another project.
Well, that's the thing. John's very handy with his hands. He used to work in the caravan industry. So, he wanted a project, and I get to have a project too because I get to get it out inside however I want to.
Yep.
But the reason we're downsizing, the main reason, is because this last trip back to Victoria, it was insane. We have family, we're staying in Geelong, and we have family in Geelong, and we're having to stay in a caravan park because of the car and the caravan.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, it's just too big.
Yep, and getting into places as well with the car and caravan makes it harder.
Yeah.
But we'll explain all the in-depth decisions in the YouTube episode, which we will do very soon.
Yeah.
Yep.
But we're in the early stages of planning, and we've made the decision we're selling the truck. And that's why we had to share it with everyone. So that's John and I. We're doing something different, and we want to take it overseas.
That was another decision too.
Yeah.
So we'll let you know more about that one.
Yeah. But for the time being, we're just happy to, and I feel good about it. Normally I'd be like having anxiety, but I feel good. I'm ready to downsize.
That's it. So keep watching, and we shall keep you informed along the way.
Yep. But the first step is done. Now the second step, John has to go and pick it up.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay, everyone. That's us. Have a great day. And we'll see you next time.
That's it. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.